Tangkhul Mayar Naga Long TMNL has demanded immediate lifting of the current internet ban in Ukhrul district, warning of stringent agitations if the government does not take appropriate action to address the issue. Addressing media persons at its office in Ukhrul town yesterday, TMNL President Themaso Talanau stated that the continued mobile internet blackout in Ukhrul district for the past 161 days has deprived the population of basic facilities, negatively impacting their day-to-day livelihood activities that depend on internet. Taking exception to the insensitivity towards the sentiments of the public, TMNL leader said that the Youth Council would be forced to take recourse to various agitations until the internet ban is revoked unconditionally. Tala now added that the Youth Council welcomes the proposed visit of Chief Minister at Ukhrul district on October 18 and reiterated its demand for lifting of the ban. Meanwhile, the order for suspension of mobile internet data services in the territorial jurisdiction of the state of Manipur has been extended for another 5 days till October 21st.